This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
John, we talked offline before we turned the camera and the mics on here just about what's happening with the government, I guess, in Utah with air quality, and obviously we got the silica rule from MSHA. That's something that everyone's trying to manage and navigate. Where is Whitaker, for example, with that? I guess when you talk to other producers in the state of Utah, I mean, how much of a challenge is that? And is Mine Expo, for example, a place where you can find solutions?
Mine Expo is good to try doing your dust control, but some of the regulations that the government's putting on us from air quality, DOGM and all of it are starting to refrain us from being able to do a good line of business. Air quality wise, we use a lot of the portable track units. Now they're trying to put in on them to permit them, so every time we move them there's a big cost to it. And they also put out a regulation that we have to apply to move it, and when we go to move it, it could take up to several months.
Which isn't very conducive to business.
No, and the thing is at Whitaker, we like to feel like if we do move a portable plant on a job site, we're saving the state lots of money from the infrastructure being ripped up with all the trucks. You have trucks hauling material off, we're hauling material in. We're trying to alleviate that. We're offering a better, challenging price to our customers because we're saving them money. The thing is if you can do good business with people and save them money, they're going to look up to you. Plus, you're also saving the environment, the emissions, and the contractors. We're doing one job out at Bear Lake, and we've actually established where the state can be using closer material of property they have, and we're getting it permitted. That money doesn't go back to Whitaker, it goes back to the state on the savings. But we've also saved that small community on ripping up their roads with all the materials. It's 600 to 900,000 ton. You start running that many trucks, 60, 70 miles, there's a big cost there. The savings are there. We're still making money, but the state's doing well, and that's a big factor.
Do you feel like there's some wiggle room there with the state and the industry to maybe find what the common ground is? It sounds like it's come down the other way, like against the producers in recent years, but
I think the state's been really good. It's everybody's challenging it, and it's a good thing all in all, because we're trying to get our air cleaned up in Utah and to be productive. There's a fine line in there, and I think they'll work it out. The AGC has actually went in and they're contesting it and working with them. So I think air quality is on the right track. The thing is we need everybody in compliance and everybody self-aware of what are you doing and what are you doing to the air, and in that process we're going to be challenged.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.